Your angels care deeply about you and have an important message to share. They want you to know that there are things happening in your life that you might not be aware of. You may not know what is coming next, but your angels are here to help you. So it's important not to ignore their message. They say it's time for you to start packing your belongings because you could be facing eviction due to issues within your family. This situation can feel overwhelming. The people you thought you could rely on, such as family members and friends, have turned against you. They are plotting to take away your home, the place where you feel safe and have built many memories. Their actions are driven by greed, which means they are more focused on what they can gain for themselves rather than what is fair. This betrayal can leave you feeling alone and heartbroken. You need to begin preparing for what might happen, as a family dispute could lead to losing your home. Family is meant to be a source of love, support, and understanding. When those closest to you betray your trust, it hurts deeply. Finding out that your loved ones have worked against you can feel very painful and isolating. You may feel confused and angry, and these feelings are completely normal. It is tough to accept that people you cared about have shown their true, selfish sides. The conflict with your family not only threatens your physical home, but also affects your emotional health. You may feel anxious, sad, or even fearful about the future. Their actions go against the trust you had in them, and the emotional pain can be heavy to bear. The people you once thought would stand by you now seem to be causing you distress, and this can leave you questioning the very nature of your relationships. During this challenging time, it's crucial to remember that you are not alone. Your angels are here to offer you support and guidance. They see the pain and betrayal you are experiencing and want you to know that they are with you. Your angels assure you that they will not allow your family to succeed in their wrongful plans. They encourage you to seek their help and trust that they are aware of the bigger picture of your struggles. Life can throw difficult moments at us, especially when those we thought would be by our side turn away. It can feel unbearable when people we have loved and trusted betray us, especially when it means losing our home, a place filled with memories, comfort, and dreams. When family disputes driven by selfish motives lead to eviction, the pain can feel even deeper. Even during these tough times, it's important to stay hopeful. You can look to the universe and its guiding forces for support. Sometimes things need to break down so that new and better beginnings can emerge. If you're facing eviction or feeling abandoned by those closest to you, remember that there is still hope for a brighter future. Your angels are here to guide you through this difficult chapter in your life, reminding you that you are strong and resilient. Trust in their support and know that you will find a way to navigate these challenges. The journey ahead might feel scary and overwhelming, but this article is here to help you understand what you're going through. Life can throw some tough challenges our way, but we can find ways to cope. We can learn to trust that the universe has a plan for us, even when we can't see it. Ultimately, we can find peace, strength, and hope even in the hardest times. When we think about betrayal, we often picture strangers or people we don't know. However, some of the most painful betrayals come from those we love the most, our family and friends. Family conflicts can hurt deeply because they involve people we care about and expect to support us. We believe that our family members will always love us and take care of us. But sometimes, feelings like greed, jealousy, and anger can get in the way of those bonds. This is especially true during tough times. Imagine you find yourself in a situation where your family is acting against you for their own benefit. It can feel like they are plotting against you, and this can leave you feeling confused and hurt. At first, you might trust them completely, never thinking they would betray you. You believe they have your best interests at heart, so it's shocking when you discover that they don't. Receiving an eviction notice can feel like a heavy blow. It can turn your world upside down. The home you thought was your safe place is suddenly taken away from you. You might find yourself without a roof over your head, and this can be terrifying. You are left wondering how the people who once showed you love and care could do something so cruel and heartless. This kind of betrayal affects not only your living situation, but also your emotions and sense of self-worth. You may start to question everything you believed about your family and yourself. It's common to feel abandoned and betrayed, as if life itself is against you. The unfairness of the situation can feel overwhelming, and you may find yourself drowning in feelings of hopelessness. However, in the midst of all this pain and confusion, there is a deeper truth to consider. The universe has a mysterious way of guiding us. Sometimes, when we are faced with our darkest moments, it is actually the universe's way of leading us towards something greater. This may seem counterintuitive, but the experiences that cause us the most pain can also push us toward growth and change. During difficult moments, like dealing with eviction and betrayal, it can be hard to see this bigger picture. You may feel stuck in your problems, unable to imagine a better future. But it's important to remember that these tough experiences can teach us valuable lessons. They can help us become stronger, wiser, and more resilient.